See how strong this baby is.
You see your dolly? Oh,
Can you go to your dolly?
Can you smile at Daddy?
Hey, Lily. Woo! Yay! Good job.
Roll back over.
There you go. Let's do it again. You roll over? This is how we roll. Say, this is how we roll. Yeah. You see, Daddy. Let's roll over. Can you roll over? Say, yeah, I like this. I got all the attention. Oh, now you're going to get frustrated. Yeah. Uh-oh. Can you crawl? Can you come to me? Come to Dolly? Hello, Lily. Please come to me. I want you to come. She's probably freaked out now. Oh no, that sounds pitiful. I know. There's Mommy. Really? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You just did it.
Are you too tired?
Uh-oh.
It's hard work, isn't it?
Oh.
Arm up under you. Can you come? Can you roll?
Yeah, too tired. There we go.
Whee! How is that? Is it good? You're so cute. There's Daddy.
Say bye-bye.